Hello and welcome to the channel. My name's Rob. I'm the Peaky biker, and I run Peaky Bikers guided motorcycle tours in the Peak District. This is the first video I'm doing on my new YouTube channel. I set up the tour business back in sort of August time. I've taken a few tours around already, but I'm sort of loading it up really for next spring. Feedback I've had so far from the tours I've taken out has been very positive, and hopefully by doing a YouTube channel I can get more people interested in watching the videos. Today's all about sort of just testing equipment out really. So I'm using a Apexcam, Apex Action Camera M90 Pro. I'm just testing out the see what the footage is like and see if I can get a good recording. So I've just set off from Baslow and just doing a little trip up here into Chatsworth Park. Just coming up past the brewery on the right hand side. That's an old converted barn, and now they're making lots of really tasty beer there. Coming up to the top of the hill, go round the corner, and then we're heading down into Chatsworth Park, past the golf course on the left to start off with. Distance you can see the church steeple from the village of Enza. Beautiful day at the moment, but it wasn't earlier on. It absolutely lashed it down. Biblical. And I think there's a lot more rain coming shortly. So making most of the Derbyshire sunshine. It's nice to have blue skies. We can't always have that. So now coming down to the bottom of Chatsworth Park, past the club on the left, and you've got the little village of Enza on the right hand side. As I say, my name's Rob. My day job is a conservation advisor with the National Park. So I go out to lots of farms all over the Peak District, doing sort of ecological surveys and giving conservation advice for the farmers, so they can then get grant aid from the government to restore meadows and plant trees, look after the moorlands, restore old ponds, things like that. So I get to ride all over the Peak District, and I've had lots of people asking me to take them about because I know all the roads, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to start doing some tours, and so far it's gone down really well. So we're just going to pull over here on the left hand side. I'll get a nice view of the house. That's my first video. It's just a test video, and I will be putting it up on YouTube. How long it stays there I'm not sure, but hopefully the camera's worked okay and we're good to go. Right, let's go down to the house and turn around. Lovely day to be in Derbyshire. Every day is a lovely day in Derbyshire. This is where I'm from. Near Baythorn, Derbyshire, up here on the line. Starting doing the Peaky Bikers guided motorcycle tours this year. Started late summer, sort of getting it all fine-tuned for a launch in the springtime. Taken a few tours already. People seem to really enjoy it. Looking some nice reviews. I can make some good videos to advertise it, then all the better. Alright, so a U-turn here to the house. Hopefully make some nice footage. On the right hand side, they're putting some parking down, so there must be an event.
lot of the events at Chatsworth have run been cancelled over the last year or so because of lockdown, but I do believe there's a big firework display here last night indeed. This is beautiful, going over the bridge here, over the Derwent. What a beautiful view. You know, if you're on your motorbike and you're in the Peak District, try Chatsworth House. I'm going to work my way up towards Bonnie Ash, where I'm going to have my lunch. One of the many brilliant cafes in the Peak District, old Smithy tea rooms. Proper bike and hang out, brilliant food. So, make my way up there. No doubt the camera will run out. I'll be fiddling about with batteries and pressing buttons. But I say it's a trial run, and Apexcam looks good so far.
Thanks for watching. I've been the Peaky Biker, and it's my first video testing out all the equipment. If you're interested in a guided tour, then you can contact me through my Facebook page, Peaky Bikers Guided Motorcycle Tours in the Peak District, or my web page. And I'll see you next time on the video. Thank you.